Fishing is mostly waiting, a little luck, and one enormous lie about the size of the fish. English took notes. Here are 8 idioms from fishing. Number 1, hook, line, and sinker. A cautious fish nibbles the bait. This fish swallowed the hook, the line, and the lead weight. Hook, line, and sinker means fooled completely. No suspicion survived. Number 2, a big fish in a small pond. In this pond, he is a legend. 2 ponds over, nobody knows his name. A big fish in a small pond is important. Locally, very locally. Number 3, plenty of fish in the sea. One fish said no. The ocean, however, remains extremely full. Plenty of fish in the sea means more chances are out there. Keep casting. Number 4, fish or cut bait. On a fishing boat, everyone works. You either fish or you cut bait for those who do. Fish or cut bait means commit to the job or step aside for someone who will. Number 5, a red herring. A strong-smelling fish dragged across the trail sends every hound the wrong way. A red herring is a false clue planted to mislead you beautifully. Number 6, reel them in. You do not yank a big fish into the boat. You let it tire. You wind slowly. Reeling someone in means drawing them closer patiently until they are aboard. Number 7, the one that got away. It was this big, no bigger. It fought like a train, and at the last second, gone. The one that got away is the near miss that grows larger every year. Number 8, like shooting fish in a barrel. The fish are in a barrel. The barrel is right there. Nothing about this is difficult. It means a task so easy it is almost unfair. And that is 8 idioms from fishing. The next video was this big, you'll see. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.